Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the owl from 99 Nights in the Forest. Now if you have any other characters from this game that you want me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest owl, let's begin right here with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making an oval shape for one eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we're going to make a second oval shape, trying to make it as close to the same size as possible. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and make another oval shape right inside of each one, trying to keep it about the same size. Now for the beak, let's begin by making a little upside down V shape. Then we're going to make a longer V shape right here for the beak. Starting here, we're going to make a curve for the mouth. We'll jump over the beak and we'll curve it up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down. And then over here, we're going to do that same thing, just make that line that comes down. Now, starting here, let's make a little bump on each side of the mouth. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve up with a couple little bumps, and then we're going to bring it down on this side. Next, we're going to curve this line down, and then we can curve this line down here. Next, let's go ahead and draw a little line that comes down on each side, just to kind of shape out the neck and the body. Now, right here, we're going to make the arms. So let's draw a line that's going to come out and down, and we'll do the same thing here, about the same spot. We're just going to come out and down. We're going to make a couple little points on each end. Then we're going to bring this line in just a little bit on each side. We're going to kind of curve this up and then bring it back. So same thing, kind of curve this up and we're going to bring it back. Then we're just going to make a little line that's going to come up on each side. Now for the hands. We're going to bring this line in and then down to a point, and we're going to come up. We'll make another little claw here. And we'll make another one right here. So kind of same thing, we're going to bring this over. We're going to come down with a point and up. One right here, and then one more here and up. We're going to bring this line back, and then this line back. Then let's go ahead and make a little curved line at the bottom of each one. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come down and kind of curve in on each side. We'll make a little zigzag line just to kind of show where there's going to be some feathers. We'll curve this line up, and then we'll curve this line up. We'll bring this line across. Now for the legs, we're going to draw a line that comes down, and we're going to do another one here. It's going to start out skinny, and then it's going to get bigger as it comes down. Same thing here, line down, another line down, following that same little technique. For the feet, we're going to come down to a point and bring it back. We'll do a smaller one right here, and then we'll make one that kind of angles off over here. Let's do that same thing over here. We're going to come out and down, bring it back. We're going to make one that's going to kind of come down in the middle, and then one that's going to curve back to here. Then we're going to put some little curved lines for the claws. And then we can add a couple little lines right by each claw. Next, let's go ahead and draw some lines that just go right across the legs here. So we're just going to draw some lines right across here. Next, let's work on the wings. So we're going to start up here at the wing, and we're just going to make this line come up, and then I'm going to bring this down to a point and up. Same thing here, start right about here, we're just going to come up, down to a point, and then bring it back up. Then we're going to make some lines that go down and up, down and over. We're going to go down and up, and then down and over. Let's draw a line that comes down on each side here. Then we're going to make another line that's going to go down and over, down and over, down and over, and then down and over. Then we're just going to add some little lines right across the bottom of all these feathers, just for a little bit of detail. And then the final thing is let's just make some little V shapes right here, kind of along the chest. And there you go, there is your drawing of the 99 Nights in the Forest owl. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.